Hey, today I'm curious to check some public data that we can pull to BigQuery and collect it and use in our marketing analytics. Hey, my name is Gala. I'm a marketing analyst. And Daily Report, this is my project. Here you can have a lot of information about Google Sheets, Looker Studio for marketing, and some tutorials. And I wanted to say marketing templates in Looker Studio. Some of them free, some of them paid. And last one is eCommerce marketing planner that I created recently based on my years of experience to work with marketing budgeting. I really recommend you to check it. And let's back to our topic. I want to populate some public data, Instagram public data, for example, into BigQuery. And I want to use Windsor for that and see which kind of fields, and maybe we can pull some market information about competitors or about our accounts that we can use in our analytics. I use Windsor because they have a lot of connectors. They have more than 300 different data sources for marketing. They have a lot of several different destinations where you can pull this data. And I worked with them for several years, and I'm totally satisfied with the quality. They improved a lot, and when I started to work and how it is now, it's really a big difference, and I really like to recommend them. Please use my code Daily Reports to get 10% off. And let's see what we can do with Instagram. I have my Daily Reports Instagram. It's not really active, to be honest, but I have it. So when you log into Windsor, you have this onboarding page. Let's type public. Let's see which kind of public data do we have. We have Instagram public. Let's check YouTube. Maybe they have something YouTube. Okay, we have some YouTube, but yeah, Instagram. Instagram is good. Instagram public. I didn't connect it, so when you do it for the first time, you have same thing. You need to grant Instagram public access. So let's try it again. Grant access. You need to log into your Facebook account, then grant access to Windsor. We have my account only Gaily Reports. Accounts to follow. Okay. I do it for the first time, so let's see. Okay, account to follow. Now we have account to follow, and we can. Got. Okay, so we can pull on only my public data, I guess. This is fields that we can have. Instagram public. Let's see which fields do we have here. Do we have some preset? Media metrics, for example. Comment per post, account name, date. What can we have here? Bio, comments count, like count. So it's data that we can pull from Instagram, from my own Instagram, and see profile activity, follows, posts, linked website, but actually, yeah, what we can see like posts, and let's do check last half year. Okay, so we have some information. It's nice, so we can see how many posts do we have and how does it work. Let's do last 3 days. Then I think nothing more what we can select here. Media link, product type, I don't have media created, media type, it's nice, I think. And that's it, I think, what I'm interested in. Then I select from my account filters. I don't want to add some filters, and I want to pull this data to BigQuery. I already have a couple of triggers, and let's create a new one. This is my Instagram public data, task name Instagram public. Google account, I want to use Google account, my account, then I give credentials to Windsor. Okay. Continue. Then I can select project that I have. Project here, if I click to Gallery Reports project, it's here. Project ID. Then I create data set that I already created in BigQuery. It's Windsor. I have this data set already for Windsor tables. Then table that I recommend to use the same as a task name. It's easier. I want to update it daily. Really, okay, let's update it daily. At 3 a.m., for example. Column to match date. It means that I selected last 3 days and it will overwrite last 3 days by column date. And backflip data 1 year, for example, test connections. It works and I can save. And when I save, we will have this data into BigQuery. And I think this is super nice because I will have all information about my post that I did, comments and reactions to my post, organic post in BigQuery. And it really helps to analyze data. It's super nice. It's pretty nice because, as you know, as you work with Facebook, you can pull like Facebook ads data and Facebook insights, like Facebook page and Facebook ads. And for Instagram as well, we have Instagram ads that you can pull using Facebook ads connector. But Instagram public data about posts that you did, reaction to this post, this is super nice to have. And you see, we already did table and now it's running backfill for the last year. Let's update and see if this table appears. Wow, it makes life super much easier, really. Makes life much easier. Yeah, it's already here, Instagram public. And which data do we have here? We have data about, yeah, it's just pulling data, so it's running, so we don't have all data right now. But you already have like account name, biography, like my bio, how many follows, how many shares, profile followers count. Super, super nice. Let's update and see if we have post information. Query. Okay, this is my account data. Hopefully it will run smoothly and it will work, but I think it's super nice because here we saw like data by posts. Let's change again for last day. It's 100, 100. This is what we will see later. So comments count and yeah, this will be same. Media caption, likes per post. So you will see like a post actually and how many likes this post get, media type, and profile followers. I really like it. Really nice. As you saw, it's super easy to pull data to BigQuery using Windsor connector. You don't need to know API to know like to write any line of code. It's super nice ETL service with no code, and people with low IT knowledge can configure queries and pull data from different marketing sources into BigQuery. 300, more than 300 data sources, and all set up this easy as we did for Instagram. Don't forget to use my promo code GaileyReport to have 10% off. Don't forget to follow this video, give me a like, comment, don't hesitate to ask comments, and on my website, subscribe to my website to get information about Google Sheets Logger Studio and new templates. Thank you, and talk to you soon. Bye-bye.